Managing a WooCommerce store means managing plugins, a lot of them. What if one plugin gave your WooCommerce store everything it needs and replaced the entire stack you're already managing? That's ShopLentor, a complete WooCommerce store building and growth toolkit built for Elementor and Gutenberg. It handles design, the shopping experience, conversion, and automation, so you can run one plugin instead of 6. And everything works inside one connected ecosystem. With 125 plus Elementor widgets, 89 plus Gutenberg blocks, 37 plus modules, and 281 plus ready-made templates across Free and Pro. Start with how your store looks. The hero banner comes in 4 design families: modern, editorial, luxury, and magazine, each with multiple layouts. 6 layouts are free, 6 unlock with Pro, all designed to create a first impression that sticks. Product grids come in 4 distinct styles: editorial, modern, magazine, and luxury. Every style looks designed, not default, and all 4 style packs are free. Build any WooCommerce page without touching code. Product pages and your shop are fully editable in Free. Cart, Checkout, My Account, and the Thank You page unlock the complete builder with Pro. And with 281 plus templates, you're never starting from scratch. No developer required. Variation Swatches replaces plain drop-downs with color circles, image tiles, and text buttons, so customers can see exactly what they're choosing. AJAX Search surfaces real product results as customers type. No full-page reload and no waiting for results. Wishlist, Compare, and Quick View, all free. Customers can save favorites, evaluate products side by side, and open full details without ever leaving the page. The free shipping bar shows customers exactly how close they are to free shipping. As their cart grows, so does the motivation to add just one more item. The Smart Cross-Sell pop-up appears at the highest intent moment, right on the cart page, suggesting relevant products customers may want to add before they buy. Add a flash sale countdown, sales notifications, or a stock progress bar. Limited time and low stock signals can give hesitant shoppers a clearer reason to act. Abandoned cart tracks customers who leave without buying and automatically sends recovery emails to bring them back. With Pro, email automation goes further, running triggered sequences for order follow-ups, review requests, and win-back campaigns based on what customers actually do in your store. Pro's Thank You page builder turns the order confirmation into another opportunity to recommend a product, request a review, or give customers a reason to come back. That moment shouldn't go to waste. From custom cart and checkout pages to automated email sequences and a post-purchase experience built for growth. That's what Pro is built for. One connected customer journey. Start free with product and shop page building, variation swatches, AJAX Search, Wishlist, Smart Cross-Sell, and cart recovery included. Pro takes it further with the complete store builder, email automation, and advanced controls, all inside one plugin. Used by more than 100,000 stores across 120 plus countries. Start building a better WooCommerce experience with ShopLentor. Install it free from WordPress.org or explore the complete Pro toolkit at ShopLentor.com. The links are below. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.